Could you introduce yourself and your company, please?
I'm Neil Turner and I work for Wood Energy, and we supply the Binder and the Hargassner boilers from Austria.
Okay, could you take us through exactly what these technologies do and what makes them completely unique?
Well, the Austrians have been installing biomass wood chip and wood pellet boilers for maybe 30 years, whilst the UK has been doing it for, say, 10 years, and we've been going for 10 years. So we're applying this unique technology, highly automated, self-cleaning, self-starting, self-stopping, and we're packaging it in a product called the Green Heat Module, and so that is everything you need to deliver zero carbon heating to your building.
So this biomass heating system, how much more convenient is it to use and operate and install than other systems on the market, would you say?
Okay. The Binder and the Hargassner boiler are so highly automated, it should be comparable with a fossil fuel boiler. And the fact that they empty the ash bin themselves, you do have to do things to a biomass boiler, but the fact it's zero carbon, enormous cost savings in comparison to fossil fuels, and this thing called the renewable heat incentive, all of those compound together to make a really excellent business case and a compelling thing for large heat users and medium scale heat users as well.
Could you give a sort of few examples of the type of installations you've delivered and sort of like whether they occupy more the commercial space or industrial scale projects?
Okay. We've done 300 projects now around the UK, totaling 85 megawatts, and they're pretty big numbers. And it's majority have been schools, have been offices, industrial processes, glass houses, you name it. If you have a heat load, whether it be low temperature or steam, whatever requirement, we can meet it with one of these enormous pieces of kit. Okay.
So including the renewable heat incentive, what sort of paybacks are your installations looking at for your clients?
Well, if you take the renewable heat incentive into account, you could achieve paybacks certainly under 10 years, but if you're offsetting something like oil and using chip, then we have seen paybacks within 2 years with, well, it's quite a capital intensive piece of kit, but it's incredibly exciting for people.
On the note of excitement, this is time to do a bit of crystal ball gazing. So where do you see the company and the technology in around 5 or 10 years' time?
I don't know how to answer that. With the introduction of the renewable heat incentive, we do see enormous growth for this industry, and we've certainly prepared for that. And part of that preparation is doing a big presence at exhibitions like this. And the future's certainly bright for the biomass heat industry. Right, I'm just going to open this boiler up. This is the Hargassner boiler, and it is an Austrian piece of kit. There are 45,000 installed around Europe. It's much more early days in the UK, but it's we've got about 50 out there, and it is top quality, highly automated, and a step grate hearth in there, very well insulated. They've been going for 25 years, so they really know what they're doing, and we're bringing that technology to the UK. Yeah. Okay, so the reason I want to talk about this is because biomass boilers do require intervention. You have to empty the ash bin, you have to order fuel, and you need to just check it occasionally. So this magic box here will tell you when there's any issue with the biomass boiler, and it will send you a text message, or it will direct you to a website where you can look at long-term data about the boiler. So this means you can leave the boiler for long periods of time without any intervention, which gives it that high level of automation we seek.